Hi guys, Englishman here. We're over in Marsa Junction. Probably not interesting for everybody, but expats will love this. This used to be called the motorway of Malta. It's very, very windy today and still cold. I'm going to show you the new layout they're doing in Marsa. It's called Marsa Junction. Soon the flyovers will be coming in. Here they did the new layout. This has always been a big road here and very, very busy. It connects the north with the south, obviously. Let's get up on the bridge and I'll show you. Maybe you get some wind noise if this wind protector's not working properly. We're going to get quite high here. Look at the traffic here. It's lunchtime, so lunchtime's an evening. Always busy. This road goes up to Ormi, and they connected the road, brand new road, all the way down. And this road is going to continue now to Fgura, going to the airport. Oh, they put some netting up here. Don't want anybody to jump. Look at the layout, guys. This is all brand new. This government is really pushing things fast. Lots of new projects going on. Just over the back there, we're going to walk a little bit further and I'll show you there's going to be a brand new flyover. Here you can see the road that's going to Ormi and Sida. You can carry on obviously to St. Julian and up to the north and to Valletta. Lot of traffic on the other side. Normally at night it's on this side, so you can imagine all these lanes full in the evening. There's some, that used to be Millennia. It's closed down, an Italian place. Let's walk up there and I'll show you where the flyover is going to be. Coming over from Fgura. I'll show you a map as well from an aerial view of what it's going to look like. You can see right in the middle here used to be factories. They've knocked them all down. Garden in the middle and like flyovers coming up from the top there. Let's go a little bit further over and I'll show you. Sorry it's noisy, but this is a very busy area. And you can see they're putting in the pylons there ready for the towers to sit the flyover on top. very busy area. As I say, connecting the north and south together. The airport is on this road as well. Let's see if we can get over there to show you a little bit. I put these high walls up, so it's a bit difficult. Let's get a bit further up. It's a bit hard to show you because they've blocked off the access, really. Safety reasons, I suppose. But the flyovers are coming from over there. We'll come back and then visit. They put the pylons in mostly over there. I don't think we get any aerial view over that area. You can't see beyond that wall. Okay, let's leave it there. I wanted to show you a little bit of the junction. I'll come back again, so we'll make this part 1. I should have come before, I know, when they were laying out the tarmac and things like that, but time is just too precious. It's very interesting though. I'll come back when they start putting the flyovers. They come from, I don't know whether it's Finland. They just put them like Meccano, just block after block. Okay, thanks very much. Short video, maybe not interest to everybody, but I'm sure some expats will be interested in how this Marsa junction has changed. I remember the old days when we used to come, we used to call it the motorway. It had 3 lanes and I think 3 and 2 lanes or something spectacular for Malta, but this is even better, eh? Okay, bye. See you soon. Englishman in Malta.
From Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.